Liberal representative democracy is a political system that combines the principles of liberalism and representative democracy. It emphasizes individual rights, rule of law, and the protection of minority interests within the framework of elected representatives. This form of governance aims to balance majority rule with the safeguarding of fundamental liberties. India, as the world's largest democracy, adopted a liberal representative democratic system after gaining independence in 1947. The country's constitution, drafted by a constituent assembly led by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, serves as a foundational document that reflects liberal values. The Constitution guarantees fundamental rights, equality before the law, and the separation of powers. India's electoral system allows citizens to elect representatives at various levels of government, ensuring a participatory approach. However, the Indian experience also reveals complexities and challenges. The diverse socio-cultural landscape poses difficulties in achieving complete representation and addressing the needs of various communities. Despite constitutional provisions, issues such as caste-based discrimination and economic disparities persist, highlighting the ongoing struggle to fully realize liberal ideals. One example of liberal representative democracy in India is the implementation of reservation policies. Designed to uplift historically marginalized communities, these policies aim to ensure fair representation in elected bodies and public institutions. While reservations have made progress in fostering inclusivity, debates continue about their effectiveness and potential long-term consequences for meritocracy. Philosophers like John Stuart Mill and Alexis de Tocqueville have significantly influenced liberal representative democracy. Mill's concept of individual liberty and the harm principle underscores the importance of protecting citizens' rights from undue interference by the state or the majority. In the Indian context, this philosophy aligns with the struggles for freedom and social justice, emphasizing the need to safeguard individual liberties within a democratic framework. Tocqueville's observations on the tyranny of the majority caution against the potential for majoritarian rule to undermine minority rights. In India, where diversity is a defining feature, this perspective gains significance. The delicate balance between majority rule and protection of minority rights remains a continuous challenge, requiring constant vigilance and institutional mechanisms to uphold liberal values. Amartya Sen, an Indian economist and philosopher, has contributed to the understanding of democracy's role in promoting social justice. Sen's emphasis on the importance of substantive freedoms, including education and healthcare, aligns with the broader goals of liberal representative democracy. His work provides a lens through which to evaluate the inclusivity of democratic processes in India. In conclusion, liberal representative democracy in the Indian context reflects both achievements and ongoing challenges. The country's commitment to constitutional values, electoral processes, and efforts to address historical injustices demonstrates a dedication to liberal ideals. However, the complexities of diversity, coupled with socioeconomic disparities, necessitate a continual reassessment of democratic practices.